Hey everybody, Dark and Dorky here from Games in Real Life, coming at you with another neat trick to up your TTRPG game. What's better than having some loot to give around to your players when they're done a dungeon, right? You slay the dragon, look at the hoard! That's what I'm talking about. So today I'm going to show you how to make a hoard of gold. Little tiny piles and little auxiliary piles of gold and whatnot that you can use for your campaign out of some gold glitter and some high gloss Mod Podge. Let's go! So like I just said, you'll need gold glitter and some gloss Mod Podge. So getting right into it, here's the glitter and the Mod Podge. Get a little cup. I have some little gems and stuff I'm going to stick in after, and dump in a healthy portion of gold. I don't think that's going to be enough, but whatever, we'll see where it gets us. And there's the Mod Podge. Stupid. Anyways, honestly, you don't want too much Mod Podge. Like, you want way more glitter than Mod Podge, and you just mix it up. You want to make sure it's a nice clumpy mixture. So we'll just speed up and get right to the end of the mixing. It's as simple as having it mixed up, get a nice non-stick surface, and dump it out. Now, because I'm an impatient idiot, I only waited a couple hours before deciding to check on it. So let's see what happens when you check on it before it's actually dry. Oh, look at that. It's still gooey. So let's just scratch that and start again. And that's why you must plan ahead. So, from the top, you get your gooey Mod Podge mixture, you dump some gold on, and you make sure that it's good and clumpy, mix it up. Look at that beautiful, clumpy, disgusting mess that I'm gonna have fun cleaning up later. Mush it up into a nice kind of tightish pile. Not too tight because you want the glitter settle naturally, so it looks like coins just chilling in a little dragon's pile there. And then just rinse and repeat. So I'm just gonna fast forward this and skip ahead through me making all the rest of the piles. So you're not sitting there for 4 hours waiting for me to do it. So speed montage, let's go! And I just want to take a quick minute here to thank TabletopWitchCRAFT for this amazing idea of making these little gold hoards here out of glitter and Mod Podge. I'll leave a link to their video in the description below and their channel as well, so you can follow them for way more D&D DIY crafts and tricks and tips and whatnot. Awesome! So now that we're done with the piles, just give them another little sprinkling of the gold glitter. Just let that kind of settle on top. And now I'm going to grab some of these stones. You don't really need to do that, but I want to put some little gemstones in for a little extra detail. And because they're huge, I want to bury them and just only leave like little tiny corners of them sticking out, just so it looks like little gemstones going in. I'm not going to go too crazy with this, so I'm only going to add in 2 here. And there we go, there's the second one. And now this time we're actually done. I'm going to be patient and wait an actual 24 hours, so we'll come back tomorrow and check out the final product.
Tomorrow.
Hey everyone, so it's tomorrow. So let's start pulling these off and check out the final product here. So they're a little dusty. Glitter is the STD of all craft supplies, so give them a nice little shake off before putting them away. And the Mod Podge is pretty hardcore, man. And when it fully dries, it's pretty hard there. You'll see me start cracking off little bits here. And I'll do a little drop test in a quick sec. So as you can tell, they're pretty durable. They don't just go flaking off and breaking in half and in little tiny chunks if you end up knocking them off the shelf by accident. So we'll just quickly breeze through the rest of the harvesting process. And then we'll get right to the glamour shots. Fast forward time again! Let's go! Alright, so here's the finished product, all freed up from the non-stick, but still stuck to it anyways, papers. Let's take a closer look at these in the glamour shot, shall we? And just once more, we want to give a shout out to TabletopWitchCRAFT for this amazing gold hoard idea there. Again, the link for that video and their channel will be in the description, so please be sure to check them out. And thank you all again for tuning into this week's episode. If you like what you saw, please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the little bell for notifications when we come out with new content.